The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to revolutionize the world of drones with its cutting-edge technology and superior performance. As one of the most anticipated drone releases in 2025, the Mavic 4 Pro is positioned to become the new benchmark for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. In this guide, we'll explore everything from its design, features, camera capabilities, flight performance, and more. Part 1. Overview and key features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. 1.1 What sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart? The DJI Mavic 4 Pro offers a host of new features that distinguish it from its predecessors in the Mavic series. These advancements will push the boundaries of what drones can do, especially in the realm of aerial photography and video recording. Some of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro include longer flight time of up to 52 minutes, a new camera system with a larger sensor capable of shooting 6K video, a robust LiDAR system for enhanced obstacle avoidance, improved OcuSync 4 Plus technology for stronger signal transmission, an upgraded controller, including the new DJI RC Pro 2. This combination of features makes the Mavic 4 Pro a game-changer for both hobbyists and professionals. The drone offers everything from high-end cinematography options to better usability and safety features. 1.2 Price and availability. Expected to hit the market in April 2025, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will be available in various bundles. Base model with DJI RC $2,250. Fly More combo with DJI RC $3,200. 512 GB creator combo with DJI RC Pro $4,400. This pricing structure reflects the advanced capabilities of the Mavic 4 Pro, making it accessible to both enthusiasts and professionals who demand the highest quality in their equipment. Part 2. In-depth look at the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's design and build quality. 2.1 The design philosophy behind the Mavic 4 Pro. When it comes to drone design, DJI has always been a leader. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to have a more compact and lightweight frame, making it even more portable than its predecessors. The new aerodynamic design will help reduce drag and increase flight time while maintaining exceptional stability during flight. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature foldable arms for easy portability, a sleek, modern look with aerodynamic contours that enhance both functionality and aesthetics, a durable build with enhanced weather resistance for flying in various conditions. These changes will ensure that the Mavic 4 Pro remains a top choice for drone enthusiasts who need a balance of portability and durability. 2.2 The gimbal and camera setup. One of the key aspects of the Mavic 4 Pro is its camera system. Leaks suggest that it will feature a tri-camera system capable of shooting at 6K resolution, with a larger image sensor for better low-light performance and depth of field. The gimbal system has been redesigned to be more stable, which will help with smoother shots, even in challenging weather conditions. Main camera. A larger sensor capable of shooting 6K at 30 frames per second, with an f/2.8-11 aperture for dynamic range. Telephoto camera. A zoom lens that offers up to 3x optical zoom with a range of 70 mm, perfect for distant shots. Wide-angle camera. A 120 degrees field of view, ideal for landscape shots. These cameras work together to offer versatile shooting capabilities, whether you're capturing wide panoramic views or zooming in on distant subjects. The addition of ND filters will help photographers control exposure in bright environments. Part 3. Advanced flight performance and capabilities. 3.1 Unmatched flight time. One of the most exciting features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its 52-minute flight time. This is an incredible improvement over previous models and will make a significant difference for photographers and videographers who need longer battery life to complete complex shots. Battery capacity. Equipped with a 5,200 mAh intelligent flight battery. Flight time. Up to 52 minutes under ideal conditions, no wind. Battery charging. Supports fast charging and USB-C charging. This enhanced flight time means you can spend more time in the air capturing breathtaking aerial shots without needing to worry about frequent battery swaps. 3.2 LiDAR and obstacle avoidance. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro introduces LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, a game-changing feature for navigating difficult environments. This technology provides the drone with precise 3D mapping of the surrounding area, allowing it to avoid obstacles even in low visibility conditions. Key features include 360-degree obstacle sensing with the addition of top and bottom sensors. LiDAR system to assist in real-time 3D scanning. Smart flight modes that adjust the drone's path in real time to avoid obstacles. These improvements make the Mavic 4 Pro a much safer drone to fly, especially in more challenging environments like forests or urban areas. 3.3 Enhanced transmission with OcuSync 4 Plus. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature the OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, which offers significant improvements over the previous generation. The OcuSync 4 Plus provides increased range, up to 12 miles, 20 kilometers, in ideal conditions. Improved video transmission, better stability and resolution, even at longer distances. Low latency communication, ensuring that the video feed stays clear and smooth, with almost no lag. This system is crucial for drone pilots who need a stable connection during long-distance flights and precise control over the drone's movements. Part 4. Camera and Imaging, Redefining Aerial Photography. For Point 1, capturing stunning imagery. With its powerful new camera system, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is designed to take aerial photography to the next level. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a professional videographer, the Mavic 4 Pro provides all the tools you need to capture stunning images. The camera system includes 6K video recording at 30 frames per second for high-resolution footage, raw image capture for professional-grade photography, HDR video capabilities for shooting in high-contrast environments. With the inclusion of electronic ND filters, users can achieve smoother video footage, even in the brightest environments. These features will be invaluable to anyone involved in filmmaking, offering them the tools they need to create content that stands out. Safety features and flight stability. The importance of safety features. Safety has always been a priority for DJI, and the Mavic 4 Pro will include a host of safety features designed to give pilots peace of mind while flying. 360-degree obstacle avoidance using both visual and infrared sensors. Return to home. RTH, the Mavic 4 Pro will automatically return to its starting point if the battery runs low or the connection is lost. These features, combined with the LiDAR obstacle avoidance, make the Mavic 4 Pro one of the safest drones to operate in both urban and rural environments. Conclusion. Is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro worth the investment? With all the advancements in camera technology, flight performance, and safety features, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate drone for both enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, or simply someone who enjoys capturing stunning aerial views, the Mavic 4 Pro offers everything you need to take your drone flying experience to the next level. With a release date in April 2025, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is definitely worth keeping an eye on. The combination of superior image quality, longer battery life, advanced safety features, and innovative design makes it one of the most exciting drone releases in recent years.